And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find secret conversations and enable them on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So secret conversations are opt-in, device-specific and end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. Only you and the other person can read those messages. They are not like even read by Meta. They also support disappearing messages, self-destruct timer. So to simply enable secret conversations on Messenger, tap open your Messenger app. Once you do this, you can simply tap on any chat you want to hide. Once you select it, you can simply select that person, scroll down, and after doing this, you can simply tap on disappearing messages to make sure that their messages get deleted or disappear. Now, if the person has a secret message activated, when you tap on it, you can simply find the option that go to secret message option. So if there's not, then that person don't have a secret conversation with you. But if someone has it, you can simply find it right over here. So this is how you can simply go and see the secret messages or like secret conversation and enable them on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.